Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. If you want to add a Google form to your Facebook page, whether for surveys, sign-ups or feedback, I've got you covered. Now in this video I'll show you two easy methods to add a Google form to your Facebook page. Let's dive into these steps. The first method is to share Google Forms link as a post. And to do that, the first step is to get your Google Form link. Now in order to do that, just go to Google Forms and then access it using your Google account's credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to your Google Forms dashboard. Now from here, you can view the recent forms section and see the recent forms you created. For example, this one, I'm gonna choose this form. Now from here, you're gonna go and copy the link for this form. Now to do that, just click on the share button here. As you can see, this is the icon for the share button. Click on it and make sure you switch the restriction from restricted to anyone with the link, so anyone can access it, and click on copy the responders link. Once you click on it, the link will be copied in your clipboard. You can also click shorten URL for a cleaner link. Now the second step is to post on your Facebook page, and to do that, just go to Facebook and make sure you log in using your credentials. And once you log in, click on create a post and paste the Google form link, and make sure you add a caption like fill out the form, this quick form, and click on post. And users can now click the link and access your form. The second method is to add the Google Forms to Facebook page button. And you can do that by opening your Facebook page and click on the edit page infos from the left menu. Then scroll down and find an add button under the profile picture. Now the second step is to link your Google form. And you can do that by clicking on add button and select learn more. And paste the Google form link in the URL field. And in the end, click save to activate the button. And now when visitors click the button, they'll be directed to your Google form. And that's it. Now you know how to add Google Forms to your Facebook page using posts or buttons. Now if this helps, don't forget to like and subscribe and comment if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.